How's your drink? You want another one? Where you been? Have you been to Italy? You had a amaretto?
Amaretto? This is a gin.
A gin?
What do you got there? Tequila. Give me the tequila.
A little Mexican shot. There you go. Coming right up.
Is this a good combination?
Probably not. Yeah, I'm going to go to Jamaica, man. Going to have me a little rum. Dig it, Ali. Ah, shit. You know, when I'm dead and buried and gone, the only thing they'll ever have to remember me by is a set of shower curtain rings that didn't fall down. How? Is that a great legacy or what?
At the very least, the absolute minimum, you have a woman you'd love to grow old with, right? You love her, don't you?
Love? It's not a big enough word for how I feel about my life.
To the wives.
To the wives. Did you call your wife?
No one was home. Probably at my daughter's Thanksgiving pageant.
You missed it. These things are precious. I mean, they just don't come back around again, you know?
I've been spending too much time away from home.
I haven't been home in years.
Seriously?
I mean, you know that I'm on the road so much, it kinda feels like I haven't been home in years. Anyway, I called my guy at the airlines. It's not looking good.
I know. I've called all the airlines.
At least we're sitting on 100 beans from my brilliant plan.
You are a terrific salesman. That I've been thinking lately that when we put our heads together that we've really got to know where, and I think I'm holding you up.
Why would you say something? You know that's not true. Come on, don't say things like that about yourself. Come on.
I really think we get to where we're going a lot faster if you and I were both alone. And it's just harder for two people.
I get it.
And you've got reservations.
Yeah, no problem. It's fine. Why don't I just take care of all of this then and get going?
Thanks for that.
And I might as well give you half for the other thing as well.
I'm not going to take half your money.
Take it.
That's your money. Well, I'm not going to take it.
Some chocolates or something.
I'm just going to leave it right there.
Well, then just leave it right there.
I'm not going to take it.
I don't want it. But excuse me, I've got places to be. Hope you get home safely.
I'll see you.
I'm sure you will.